Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Remember
ma'am.
the last class? Gopi Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Which all topics we
Ma'am,
studied?
I was not.
Why?
Ma'am, I was not there in the last class.
I saw
Connection
you,
problem.
Gopi Krishna.
No, ma'am. My connection was low.
But your name I saw.
I cannot address properly.
Ashmit,
Yes, ma'am.
which topic we covered?
Ma'am, yeah, the Constitution.
Okay.
Why do we need a
Why
Constitution?
do
Why does
we
the
need a
country need?
constitution? How many points we explained?
3.
3 points. Which were they?
The basic ideals.
The
Okay,
basic
Midun?
idea.
Midun?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
The basic ideal on the basis of which we are citizens to live in our country are mentioned in the Constitution.
Yes, the basic ideals on the basis of which the people desire to live in a country is mentioned in the constitution. Then second point, wait Midun, we can call another person. Abhishek,
Yes, ma'am.
second point.
It tells the fundamental natures of the society.
It tells the fundamental nature of the society.
Society.
Yes, good. And one more point we discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mishal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which is the third point?
Define the nature of the political system of a country.
Yes, it helped to define the nature of political system of the country. So, when we discussed about the second point, we discussed about one country, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
Nepal.
Nepal. And
Nepal.
what happened in Nepal?
Till
Until
2006, it was
Wait. Shankari?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what happened in Nepal?
Until 2006,
Hmm.
the country was ruled by a monarch,
Yes.
and after that they got the freedom.
So it became a democratic country, and what they did?
And they first changed its constitution.
Why?
Because
ma'am.
have a rules to follow the democracy.
Yes, because it is not a monarch. In a monarch, who become the power is vested to
The
whom?
king, the king,
The king. The king, but in a democratic form of government, the power is vested to whom?
The elected
leader.
representatives.
Yes, to the elected representatives. Okay. Till that much point, and also one more thing we discussed, what happened if the elected representatives are giving all the powers? What will happen?
They will start
There
making.
is no,
misuse the
wait, children. What happened if there is no restriction to the power given to the elected representatives? Krishnaveni? Krishnaveni?
Yes, ma'am. Can you
Yes,
repeat the question?
what will happen if there is no restriction for the power of the elected representative? What will happen if there is no restriction on the power of the elected representatives?
Ma'am, it's not clear.
To all others, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Krishnaveni, you listen here. Once again, I will repeat the question, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear. Then the question will be clear. You listen here, okay, child? What happened if
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is no restriction on the power of the elected representatives?
Ma'am,
They, only one word is the answer, isn't it? What they will do? All others, keep quiet. Let her say. What they will do? We explained that with the example of the class leader. If all the powers are given to them, what will happen? All
Ma'am,
others,
they will use it
how they will use it?
without.
How they will use? In the good way?
No bad way.
That means one term is there. They will?
They will
Misuse.
Mithun.
misuse.
They will
Ma'am, they will.
misuse. Now you got it.
will
They will
misuse.
misuse the power, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
They
Yes,
will
ma'am.
misuse the power. Till that point, we discussed in the previous class. So very good. Some of you revised well and come to the class. And today we are going to discuss the another two important needs of democracy. Why we need a democracy? Two more points are left. We can go through that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This much point is clear to you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The next reason why we need a democracy is it states a set of rules based on which the people belong to different religion and communities can peacefully coexist. Clear? It states a set of rules. It states a set of rules based on which the people belonging to different religion and communities can peacefully coexist. Okay, that means democracy ensures that the dominant group does not use its power against the less powerful group. The dominant group does not exercise their power or does not use their power against the less powerful group. A dominant group don't exercise their power on whom? Less
Dominant group.
less dominant,
Dominant group.
or in other words we can say the majority. Dominant group may mean the majority cannot use their power against the less dominant. Means what is the opposite of majority? Opposite of majority?
Minority.
Minority. Yes, good. Against the minority. Okay. Don't misuse the power. The majority don't misuse the power against the minorities. That is another important need of a constitution. That means it ensures there is a peaceful coexistence. There should be a peaceful coexistence, and it is explained with the help of a majority minority dominance. If the majority is trying to dominate the minorities, what will happen? What will happen if majority is dominating the minority?
There
Uh,
will be a lot of problems.
There will be a lot of problem. Yes. Midun, any other answer?
No.
No. That means it creates a lot of conflicts, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Within the country, it will create a lot of conflicts. So that is also our constitution must protect a peace, must be there to protect the unity of the country and for the peaceful existence of all the religions and communities within the country. Okay.
Yes.
In
Okay,
page
ma'am.
number 8, all of you have textbook with you? Take page
Yes.
number 8.
Yes.
Okay.
A situation is demonstrated there. Read it.
Ma'am, a story.
Ah, yes, that's storyboard.
Ma'am,
That's
red.
storyboard. Finished so fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, over.
Over. Okay, Midun. Tia? Tia? Tia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finished reading? Okay, read fast.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, wait. Let all others do. Children, do it fast. Shivanya, are you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Rayan?
It's
I
not in
think
our phone.
All
It's
keep
not
quiet.
in-
Rayan? Rayan?
Bunny.
Rayan, it's not your class.
Take to see.
Okay, Shivanya, you finished reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you illustrate the situation?
Ma'am. Ma'am, it is a PT period for the students.
Okay.
That time, the boys decide to play cricket and girls wanted to play basketball.
Mm.
So they both, the both groups were in a fight.
So what the teacher's decision?
Ma'am, she decided to show off hands.
To whom? She supported whom?
Ma'am, the boys.
The boys. What is the explanation she given for supporting boys?
Ma'am, they are in majority.
They are the majority. Is the teacher did the correct thing?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Shivanya, do you support the teacher?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because she supported the boys as they are in majority.
Yes. Because the reason that they are the majority, the teacher supported them. Is it a correct decision from we are expecting from the side of a teacher?
No.
Definitely no. The teacher will not do like that. Same way, in the same situation, if the majority in our community, whether it may be a religion, whether it may be a caste, whether it may be a language, whatever it is, if a majority is trying to dominate, what will happen to the minority? Are they
The
happy?
major.
No.
No. Obviously, finally, it will lead to a conflict among them, isn't it? Separation is there, it will create a conflict between the majority and minority. So we need a constitution to protect the minorities' interest also. To protect the minorities' interest also, we need constitution. Clear?
Yes.
And also this domination may be of two types. The domination is of two types. One is intra-community domination. Okay. One is intra-community domination and the other is inter-community domination. One is intra and the other is inter. What is the difference between intra-community and inter-community?
Indra means
Inter-school competition. Have you heard about that?
Yes.
What do you mean by inter-school competition?
I'm inside the school itself.
Inter-school competition means what?
Inside.
And the participants will be only from the school.
That is inter-school competition.
Ma'am, outside.
Anyone, either inside or outside. Which one is correct?
I'm outside.
Inside.
Outside.
Inside.
Either inside or outside.
Outside. Outside.
That's correct. Indra may be inside or inter may be inside. Which one is inside?
Ma'am, inter is inside. You told
Inter is
me.
inside, sure. Any objection from anybody?
I think outside.
No objection. Everybody is
Outside.
agreeing the opinion?
I'm outside.
Okay. Mishal is only saying outside.
Outside.
Nashmi is
Outside.
now thinking whether it is inside or outside.
I'm outside.
Outside.
Inter-college competition, inter-school competitions.
Ma'am, inside. Inside.
Inter means outside. Between. Okay. Intra competitions. Okay.
No, I said no out.
It is recording. Okay. So after the class, we can once again watch it. Then we know who said what. So the inter-community dominance means between the communities. Okay. Inter-community competition means competition.
And between communities.
Wait. Inter, okay. Inter-community domination. Inter-community domination means between. Inter means
Between.
Between means maybe between the two communities. Okay. Inter means between. So if it refers to if one community is dominating the others. Inter-community means if one community is dominating the other, it is called as inter-community dominance. One community is dominating the other, it is called as inter-community dominance. For example, one association in our country is dominating all other associations. Okay. Or one religion in our country is dominating all other religions. Or one language is dominating all other languages. All these are inter-community, between. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you mean by inter-community domination?
One community dominate another community.
If one community is dominating the others, it is called as inter-community domination. If one community is dominating another, it is inter-community domination. Then what is intra-community domination?
Dominating others within the same community.
Yes. Intra means within. Intra means within. Within. That means if a few members. Intra-community means a few members of a particular community is dominating all other members. Okay? Clear?
Can you say again the second one?
Intra-community. See, a few members of a community is dominating the others within the same community. Ashmit?
Ma'am,
Too much, dear.
I'm understood.
Yawning, that's why.
No, ma'am.
So, if the members of one community, the members of one community is dominating the others within the same community, it is called as intra-community domination. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Some members in the same in the same community itself, some members are dominating the others. It is called as intra-community domination. Inter-community means
Between
one community is dominating the others. Intra means some members. Intra means some members from a community is dominating all others members. It is called as intra-community domination. And inter-community domination means?
One community
One
dominate
community
another
dominating
community.
another community.
If one community is dominating the another, it is called as inter-community domination. Clear?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So why do we need a constitution? Because to protect the minority community from the majority, from their dominance. How they will become dominant? Either through an intra-dominant community or
Their community.
community domination.
Ma'am.
Intra-community domination.
Ma'am.
Yes.
And to protect minute, say,
Minor.
less minority.
Minorities. Or the dominant group don't use the power against the less powerful people. A dominant group, the constitution play an important role to protect the minority group from the majority group, or to ensure the dominant group not use their power against the less powerful group. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
more powerful group don't use their power against the less powerful group. That is a fourth point, or it can otherwise state like that. The states, it states a set of rules based on which the people belonging to different religion and communities can peacefully coexist. Clear the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes.
ma'am.
In any doubt?
No.
Anyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Gopi Krishna, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. And the another important need for a constitution is it saves us from ourselves. It saves us from ourselves. What is the meaning of the sentence? It saves us from ourselves.
Ma'am, it says ourselves.
It saves us from ourselves means?
Ma'am, it helps us.
Okay, before going to explain that point, you have a work. Okay. Identify the minorities given in each of the situation. Okay. Identify the minorities given in the each of the situation, and also write a reason you think it is important to respect their views as minorities.
Ma'am, we should write this.
You write just which is the majority, minority group. Okay. And what we can to do to protect their interest. First situation is, in a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. Okay, you just write which is the minority group. Finished? Finished?
Ma'am, can you say the question again?
In a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. So what you want to do is identify the minority.
Identified.
Sorry, Midun.
Not I asked me.
I can't hear you properly once again.
Ma'am, identified.
Identified. Okay, good. If you have any reason why you think it is important to respect the views, also you can write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
One device question.
Sorry.
One device question.
Once again, I want to repeat the question. Question is, in a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. Then the second question. In a city, 5% of the population are Buddhist. Who's the minority? If you have any reason to state, you can
Ma'am,
also
I
write.
didn't
Okay?
write any reason. I only
Yes, if you can write, no problem. Next one is, in a factory mess, for all employees, 80% are vegetarians. In a factory mess, for all employees, 80% are vegetarians. And the last one, in a class of 50 students, 40 belong to more well-off families.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, well-off means rich families.
Yes, well-off means rich. Finished?
yes.
All of you? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. So, Alna? Alna? Alna, what is the first question? Answer for first question I will say, you tell the answer, okay? In a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. Who's the minority there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
No problem, you tell the answer.
I cannot hear you.
First question answer.
Yes, ma'am.
First question answer, Alna.
Ma'am, question.
Question you didn't saw?
No, ma'am.
Prarthana, can you repeat? I will say, can you repeat it for her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question is, in a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. Clear?
Yes.
In a school with 30 teachers, 20 of them are males. Okay. Can you repeat the question for her?
In a 30 teachers, and of the teachers are male.
Okay. Clear, Alna, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then answer, please.
Ma'am, who's the majority?
Alna is not here. Alan Joy, what is the question? Is the majority? Alan Joy. Midun, what is the question? Is it the majority or the minority?
Minority.
Alna, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Females.
Then you didn't write the answers for that questions?
No, ma'am.
Why, ma'am? I understood. See, children, then why should I show you the question? I repeated the question again and again and I said, you write it, you write it. So, in the first case, who are the minorities?
Male.
The female, male, minority.
Female.
The female teachers are the minority, isn't it? In the first case, who are the minority?
Female.
Female teachers are the minority. Minorities, female, isn't it? But we must consider them also. Sometimes their decisions will be useful for the goodwill of their children. So we must consider them. The second one is, in a city, 5% of the population are Buddhist. Who's the minority there?
5% Buddhist.
5% who?
Buddhist.
Buddhist. So in the second case, who's the minority?
Buddhist. 5% Buddhist.
Were the minorities. But in our country, we have the freedom of religion. So we must respect their freedom of religion. In the third one, in a factory must, for all the employees, 80% are vegetarians. Then who become the minority there?
Non-vegetarian.
Non-vegetarians. Good. Non-vegetarians were the minority. Then in the last case, in a class of 50 students, 40 belonging to more well-off families. Then who become the minority?
Non-well-being,
or we can call them as underprivileged. Okay, that means they are not enough money or other status with them. So underprivileged.
I'm under.
Wait, I will write it. Wait, okay. Underprivileged. P-R-I-V-I-L-E-G-E-D. Underprivileged. That means the deprived. The other 10% students. We use the term underprivileged. Okay. I will write that in here. Okay. Under. Underprivileged. Okay.
Yes.
So one more feature of democracy is there. I think time is less to discuss that point. That point is, it also saves us from ourselves. How the constitution help us to save us from ourselves?
Ma'am, by our power.
A little bit louder, Midun.
Ma'am, by our power.
By our power, how the constitution protect us from ourselves?
By a group.
Okay. Another situation is given there in page number 9. I think that situation is very familiar to you. You all are facing such a type of situation.
TV.
Yes. Correct, Midun? Finished? That I think no need for spending too much time. You know the situation. You are facing such situations. Is it correct, Ashmit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Gino, what is the situation? Demonstrated there.
Ma'am, I didn't hear connection problem.
Okay. Read page number 9.
Ma'am, over.
Ma'am, story.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, over.
Ah. Is it correct, Midun, what I said?
Yes.
Ah, yes.
Dangerous.
Same problem we are facing. But our decision is little bit different, isn't it?
Yes. No painful. Ma'am,
Yes.
that point, it also save us from ourselves. That points can you show?
Sorry.
And that second point, it also save us from ourselves. Some more are there. Can you show that page?
The point I will explain later. Okay, don't worry. For the next class, I will explain you the point in detail. You read that portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For the next
Yes,
class,
ma'am.
we can discuss that point. Okay.
Yes.
The rest, all the 4 points are clear to you?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Read
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Read the textbook proper. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.